Hey, again, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today we're going to be working on this exercise over here, exercise 9. And again, if you haven't yet seen our cover page, this is it right here. Okay. Of course, if you do internet surfing, you can find yourself this PDF right here. Okay, so let me jump on to the problem on hand. Okay, as you can see, we're working on exercise 9. Okay, so the Fibonacci numbers are the sequence below, where the first two numbers are 1 and each number thereafter is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Write a program that asks the user how many Fibonacci numbers to print, then prints that many. Okay, as you guys can see, this is an infinite sequence, so it is entirely up to us, up to a user, how many numbers he or she needs to be displayed. Again, we're not concerned much about the format per se. Okay, this variable right here will hold the first number, and this one right here will hold the second one. However, as the program proceeds, this variable, of course, they will get updated. Okay, 1, so it's gonna be Fib. This is the current Fibonacci number. It's gonna be the sum of the two preceding numbers, right? So it's gonna be Fib 1 plus Fib 2. Okay, now we've gotta retrieve the number of the number of Fibonacci, the number of numbers in our sequence. Okay, so I'll store that on the number of Fib variable. Again, so far so good. At any point in time, feel free to let me know in case there's any confusion. Number of elements in the sequence. Okay, so I'll simply go print Fib 1, Fib 2, and then Fib. Again, my separator. I want it to be exactly like that. Okay. As for the end arguments, I want to stay on the same line. Okay. Now let me proceed. Using my for loop. So I'll simply go. First things first, I want to update my Fib 1 to become Fib 2, and I want to update my Fib 2 to become Fib. Okay, and then finally I want my current Fib to be Fib 1 plus Fib 2. What I will then do, I wanna print that. So here's a deal. Because of the way I decided to create my program, because of this line here, to be more specific, it will be wise for me to start by displaying a comma and then display my current fib value. Of course, I want my separator to be exactly that, and I want to stay on the same line. That is pretty much it, everyone. Let me hit the run button. Before I do, I'm gonna have to save my file first. Let me just hit the run button. Oops, really? Oh, I forgot a comma right there. There's supposed to be a comma right there. Okay, now let's see how many my numbers. Let's just go for 10 numbers. That was so stupid of me. You see, there's supposed to be a comma there. This is not 1, 1, 2. This is supposed to be 1, 1, and 1 comma, 1 comma, and then 2. Again, it goes back to making silly mistakes. On my separator up there, supposed to be a comma, not a space. Okay, so again, that's why I ask you guys to make sure that at any point in time you let me know, right? In case you have pointed out. That's why I'm asking you guys at any point to let me know in case you have pointed out any mistake. You see, if I didn't see that, I would have, of course, closed wrapped up the video and then assume that everything is working okay. I am no machine, guys. I do make mistakes, so that's why I ask you to feel free. Don't think I'll get offended in any way. Feel free to point out any mistakes. It could be a logical error or whatever. Okay, so that's gonna be it, you guys. I don't know if you want me to do more checks. It is entirely up to you. Okay, it is entirely up to you guys. Okay, that's gonna be it. In the meantime, I'm gone.